It's Vlogmas, and today we're making no-bake cookies. For this recipe, you need 1/4 cup of butter, a 1/2 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, a little over 2/3 cup of peanut butter, 1½ cups of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 3 cups of quick oats. In a medium saucepan, you're going to combine the butter, cocoa powder, milk, and sugar over medium heat. You're supposed to whisk, but I don't have a whisk, so we're just going to use a spoon. You're supposed to stir until the butter melts. Bring it to a simmer. Allow to simmer for a minute without whisking. Then remove from heat.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to.
Remove it from heat and immediately put in the peanut butter.
Me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
Vanilla extract. Until completely combined.
I've been so selfish and
Then stir in the oats.
made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again.
Once it looks completely mixed, let sit for 5 minutes. While that's sitting for 5 minutes, get out 2 baking sheets. I don't have any parchment paper, but you should probably line them. This is what it looks like after it has sat for 5 minutes. And now you're going to put it on the cookie sheets with a tablespoon. Or if you guys have a cookie maker thing, I don't know what they're called, a cookie spoon maker thingy, you can use those.
Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
Put them in the fridge, 30 minutes to an hour. Every time, they never set. I don't know what's going on here. They're like sort of set, but they're still kind of moist and crumbly, like see.